So who are you?
Oh, me? Well, let me show you my little intro video I made. To infinity! Oh, wait, that's taken.
Some men are born with power. Some men are given power. And some men have to learn how to use their power. I learned a long time ago in a comic book that with great power comes great responsibility. Thankfully, I don't have great power. And I am STELCRO MAN!
So if you're a superhero, you should have a sidekick. Who is that?
Oh, it's Ginger Man.
Shut up. I'm trying to get my book ready.
He's also my roommate.
What do you do as a superhero?
I protect and I deliver justice swiftly and very goodly. But most importantly, I try to be as heroic as I can.
Wonderful. It is very cold out here in space, Australia!
No loitering! I am STELCRO MAN!
Since you and I are coffee fans, what's your favorite coffee? Why is your mask lighting up?
My velcro senses, they're tingling.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
That's just the light.
Oh, well, I see the light. So who's your arch nemesis?
Oh, my arch nemesis? His name is Action Guy, and he's very, very small and very Oh no.
So, we meet again.
You! I knew you would come here. Ah, my plan worked. Now we fight to the death.
Ow. When was the last time you saved somebody?
Oh, well, you see, it's not important how many people you save. It matters.
But you're a superhero.
It matters if you leave a good impact for the kids.
Oh. Well, if you're doing a terrible job.
I know.
Pitiful.